Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the AODSK B-83S digital piano. This instrument is designed with beginners in mind, offering a comprehensive package right out of the box. One of the standout features is its fully weighted 88-key keyboard with hammer action. This provides a playing experience that closely mimics a traditional acoustic piano, giving you that authentic feel and response under your fingers. The piano itself has a streamlined design with a wooden case, measuring 53.9 inches wide, 29.13 inches tall, and 13.78 inches deep, and it weighs in at 71.2 pounds. It comes with a furniture stand and includes the essential triple pedals, soft, sustain, and sostenuto. In terms of sound and functionality, the B-83S is well equipped. It features volume adjustment, a selection of multiple tones, recording and playback capabilities, a split function for playing different sounds on different parts of the keyboard, and a dedicated teaching function. There's also an input for playing MP3s, a built-in amplifier, and support for connecting external speakers or headphones, making it versatile for various practice or performance settings. For those just starting their musical journey, this piano is particularly ideal. It boasts 128 notes of polyphony, 128 different instrument timbres, and 88 demonstration songs. This combination allows for rich, crystal-clear sound and provides excellent resources for both structured teaching and self-guided learning. The company even offers a 30-day beginner course you can access. Silent practice is also a key benefit. With adjustable volume and a dedicated headphone jack, the B-83S allows you to immerse yourself in your music without disturbing anyone around you. The product conveniently includes a pair of headphones specifically adapted for the jack, so you're ready to go right away. Considering its features and included accessories, this digital piano makes a fantastic gift. Whether it's for Christmas, a birthday, or New Year, it's a thoughtful present for anyone interested in learning or playing music, adding a special touch to any festive occasion. The AODSK B-83S aims to provide a professional feel and comprehensive features suitable for players of all skill levels, especially beginners.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.